A very good morning, children. Hope you are doing good. So today we are going to continue our CW starting with fifth problem. Very interesting and useful questions. So please observe carefully. What must be added to the smallest 8-digit number to get the greatest 8-digit number? So, just to understand the question, I want to give you an example. Just look. I am taking 3 and I want to add something to 3 so that the result is going to be 5. So, what I have to add to 3 so that the answer is going to be 5. Then what you will say, if we can add 2 to 3, you will say that the answer is going to be 5. Just like that, if 4 is there and I am asking you what we have to add to 4 so that the answer is going to be 7, for example, then immediately you will say we have to use 3. That means in place of question mark, if we can put 3, the answer is going to be 7. Now please observe these two examples carefully. Instead of writing like this, look, same example I am taking. Instead of being a small number, you can directly guess that it is 2. But as the numbers are going to increase their values, it would be quite difficult to guess the number. In that case, we want some value in this question mark. So, can I say that the value in this question mark will be equal to the answer minus this number? 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. See, 2 here, 2 here. And here also, if we take this question like this, 4 plus what we have to keep in this blank so that we'll get 7. So the answer in the question mark is going to be 7. That means the given answer minus this 4, which is equal to 3. Hope you got the point. Okay, being the small numbers, it is easy to guess. But what if the numbers are going to be big? Then we have to subtract the leftover number with answer. Let me give you one more example so that you will understand the question better. Look, for example, 666 is there, plus what we have to add to this 666 so that the result is going to be, for example, 999. Okay, look, please observe the question carefully. What must be added to? What must be added to? Okay, just like the same, what must be added to 666 so that the answer is going to be 999. So what we have to do, that number that we have to add should be like this. So the given, in addition, what we'll call the result? Sum. Sum minus the leftover number, that is 333, is the answer which we have to keep in this question mark so that the result is going to be 999. So let us make a brief note of this. That means whenever we want to find that unknown number that is to be added, we have to subtract the smallest from the greatest. Okay, I will show you. Look, first, what is the smallest 8-digit number? Smallest 8-digit number. We all know it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So this is the smallest 8-digit number. Then what is the greatest 8-digit number? So it contains a total of 8 nines. You already learned this in your previous chapters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have the smallest 8-digit number and the greatest 8-digit number. Now, what must be added to? Okay, smallest 8-digit number. Okay, as per the problem or the question given, as per the problem, what must be added to smallest? That means smallest 8-digit number we already wrote. So what must be added to this number so that you will get the greatest 8-digit number? As I am saying, understanding question is very much important for the word problems. Now what we did, we simply subtract this from this so that we will get the unknown number. Okay, therefore the required number is equal to, so greatest 8-digit number 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 minus, so the smallest 8-digit number 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So simply we have to do the subtraction. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, here also 9, here also 9, and here we'll get 8. Okay, therefore this is the number which we have to add to the smallest 8-digit number so that we'll get the greatest 8-digit number. Therefore the required number is equal to, this is the number 2, 7. Okay, so I hope you got clear picture about the question. Please ensure to write the CW very carefully. Copy the things as it is. Now let us move to next question. Okay, now the sixth question. So before actually discussing this question, I want to give an example. Today I will explain only the question. So for today you will copy only sixth question into your fifth question and answer into CW. Sixth question. Tomorrow I will give you an explanation because this question is very important and useful. Before understanding this, look, for example, there is a boy named Santosh. Okay, and now he is in 5th standard. Okay, now he is in 5th class. If someone asks this boy, in which class you were there 1 year back, so 1 year before, what exactly is your class? He will say 4th class. If someone other asks, which class are you studying 2 years back, then he will say, I was there in 3rd class. Isn't it? So if we ask him, boy, which class you studied 1 year back, he will say 4th standard. 2 years back, he will say 3rd standard. Now look, instead of saying 1 year back, which class you were 1 year before, he will say 4th. 2 years or before 2 years, he will say 3rd class. Now look. So 3rd class, 4th class, 5th class. So this is before 1 year and 3rd before 2 years. Isn't it? Now, before 2 years, this boy is in 3rd class and now he is in 5th class. Okay? Before 2 years. If I ask him, what is the increase in classes from 3rd class to 5th class? He will say 2 years. How? This 5th class minus 3rd class is equal to 2. So the increase in standard from 3rd to 5th is 2. Okay? I hope you are clear. Let me keep the same example in a simple manner. Look. Take the same boy Santosh. For example, from 3rd, now he is in 5th standard. Okay. You know that boy in 3rd standard, now he is in 5th standard. Now, when we ask him into how many classes you increase, okay, I know you when you are in 3rd class, now you are in 5th class. Okay. So, for how many years we are in friendship, if we ask Santosh, then he will say, nothing to worry, simply subtract present class minus the class when we started our friendship. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Okay. So there is an increase in our friendship for 2 years from 3rd class to 5th class. Hope you are clear. So you started doing friendship with Santosh from 3rd class. Now you are in 5th class. Suddenly you ask Santosh, for how many years we are doing friendship? Then he will say 5 minus 3, which gives 2. Hence, we are in friendship from 2 years. In the same way, we have to understand the question, 6th question. So tomorrow I will give you clear explanation on the solution for 6th. So that's all for today. For the HW, I will give you a document. So please copy the CW carefully. Have a great day.